Welcome Standard 12 Science Electronics student bifocal vocational course. My self introductions Mr. S.S. Sheikh, full-time teacher from HPT Art and Arvaka Science College bifocal vocational electronics department. This is the second lecture. First lecture I have discussed or explained binary number systems, binary to decimal number conversions, applying to the rules, how to calculate binary to decimal conversions. You are studying. Then decimal to binary conversions, double methods also study. Today I have sub chapters discuss hexadecimal number systems. Go to next slide. Continue start hexadecimal number systems. In hexadecimal number system, the basic symbols used are 0 to 9s. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10, instead of the 10s, the character alphabet capital A. Then B, it is called the 11. C, it is called the 12. D, it is called the 13. E, it is called the 14. And F, it is called the 15. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. Total number 0 to F is the hexadecimal number system. Redex is the 16, 1 6 or base of the 16s. The following table here, decimal number given 0 to 15 number. Similar to calculate equivalent 4-bit binary number. For single digit, then 4 binary bit convert. 0 equivalent 4 bit 00, 1 equivalent 2 equivalent, similar up to decimal number 15 is equivalent binary number 111 is equal to the hexadecimal number 0 up to 9. Then number coming 10 means A, B, C, D, E and F. This is the F, total redex or base of the hexadecimal number systems. To convert hexadecimal number to decimal number conversions, the following table is given here. Rule similar the binary numbers. Where the binary number is the base is 2, here hexadecimal number the base is the 16. 16 to 0 is the value is 1. It is called the LSB, lowest value. Then 16 to 1 means 16s. 16 to 2 means 256. And 16 to 3 is value 4096. This is the 60 to 0, 60 to 1, 62, 63. It means it is called the LSB and this is the MSB. Hexadecimal number to convert here decimals value. Similar, the hexadecimal decimal points here last number, maximum number and starting the lowest number. Okay. Here same rule. 16 to minus 1 means 1 by 16 is the decimal value is 0.0625. 16 next 16 to minus 2 is means 1 by 256. It means the value 0.003390625. This is the number of 16 1 by 256. Next numbers 16 to minus 3 means 1 by 4000 96. This is the decimal value. Same rules apply binary number, just to convert hexadecimal number to the decimal number. Similarly here, multiply by is decimal number bit by its weightage and add the result or produce. Here, for example, two examples are given. First example, in the bracket FA2 in the bracket complete power 16. It means this is the whole number. It is called the hexadecimal number. You are convert decimal number means in the bracket and 10 powers. Same rule apply here. This is the 2 is the LSB and F is the MSB. Similarly, 2 into multiplied by 16 to 0 plus A into multiply by 16 to 1 plus F into multiply by 16 to 2. This is called hexadecimal value and is convert here decimal value. 16 to 0 means multiply by 1, then 10 multiply by 16 and 15 multiply by 256. This is calculate value 3840 plus 160 plus 2 is equal to 4002. This is the decimal value. Here convert hexadecimal value to decimal value. Similar second example, here include the mixing number 2b point. This is the decimal point. Then A to F, you are convert the decimal number. Same rule apply binary number or hexadecimal number or decimal number. Each you first show here 2b is B is LSB and 2 is the MSB. B is a multiplier by 16 to 0 plus 2 into multiply by 16 to 1. Okay, then you are right here. Next decimal point here plus 2 into multiply by minus 2 into 16 minus 1 plus F is a multiply by 16 to minus 2. Then is a value, total value is 43.1839. It is a decimal number. Similarly, same decimal, next topic, decimal to hexadecimal number conversions. Last time in the binary number system, you study whole the number, it is called the integer number. Any decimal number, it is called the integer number, and point, decimal point, it is called the fractions. Same procedure, same method, but here divide given decimal number successively by 16. राइट, यहाँ पर क्या करना है, जैसा बाइनरी नंबर में आपने देखा था कंप्लीट नंबर होल नंबर इट इज कॉल्ड द इंटीजर नंबर. उस बाइनरी नंबर में आप लोग मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइडर बाय 2 करते थे या डिवाइडर बाय 16 करना है, बस इतना ही फर्क है, मेथड सेम है. सिमिलरली डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल कन्वर्शंस, हेक्स डबल मेथड्स मींस divide given decimal number successively by 16s, write down remainder and questions. The process is continued will to question equal to the 0. Here, for example, give the mixing number in the bracket 545.789 in the bracket 10. It is called the weightage or voltage value or base value or redox value. It means it is called the decimal number, and then you convert in the bracket the question mark 16 to convert the hexadecimal numbers. For example, first part is the integer part. 545 successively divided by 16 is equal to, question is the 34, remainder is 1. Then next step, 34 divided by 16 is the question is 2 with the remainder is a 2. Similar here, 2 divided by 16 remainder question is 0 with the remainder is the 2. Here stop. Then you write the reverse order top to bottoms, means 554 decimal number to convert hexadecimal number 2 to 1. Here 2 to 1. Similar fractions part of the decimal number 0.789, this is the decimal number 10 power, you are convert the hexadecimal number. Similar here, any fraction number here hexadecimal number system you multiply by 16s, right? How many steps here? Here 1 2 3 4 step here calculate. My first step 0.789 multiplied by 16, answer is given 12.624. Here 12 is the integer number with the carry here, and fraction part 0.624 again multiply by 16, value 9.984. 9 is the here 9 is the integer part with carry here, against fraction number 0.984 multiplied by 16 is value 15.744. Here 15 is the last integer number with the carry here 15, against multiply by 0.744 multiplied by 116 is answer 11.8884. Is 11 is the integer with the carry here, and here 1 2 3 4 stop here. The answer is start from top to bottom, means forward order. Here 12 is the hexadecimal number, instead of the 12 the alphabet C, okay. Then 9, then 15 hexadecimal number 15 is not right, instead of the 15 is alphabet is F. Here 11s you are not right, is the convert the alphabet 11 means B. The answer is 0.789 decimal number is equal to point C 9 F B. This is the value of the hexadecimal number, and the mixing number whole number. Therefore in the bracket 545.789 is the mixing is mixing of the decimal number. You are convert 2 to 1 point C9 F FB. Next slide. Hexadecimal to binary conversions. To convert hexadecimal number to binary number, convert is hexadecimal number, convert is hexadecimal digit to its 4-bit binary equivalent. Here example A B C D decimal point point 012. Yes, a hexadecimal number, you write equivalent 4-bit binary number. For hexadecimal number, a character is equivalent to 10. Means write down a equivalent 4-bit binary number. Similarly, b is 11. Write down 4-bit binary equivalent number. C is equivalent to the 12. Write down 12 binary number. D is the 13. You write down 4-bit binary number. Then decimal point here. Similarly, the 0 equivalent 4-bit binary number and 1 is equivalent 4-bit binary number and 2 equivalent 4-bit binary number. Last answer. Therefore, A, B, C, D point 0, 1, 2, 3 holes. It is called the hexadecimal number. This is 16 is the hexadecimal redex value is equal to convert your binary number. Binary number in between 4 bit. A, this is the A5 character equivalent number 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then B, you write down equivalent number 11, 1, 0, 1, 0. In between little gap, then write down number A, B, C, D equivalent binary number. Then decimal point, the equivalent 0 number, then 1 numbers and then 2 numbers. Similar, next binary to hexadecimal conversions. Same procedure here, exact opposite to the binary to hexadecimals. Make group of 4-bit starting from binary point to right hand side for fractions and to the left side for the integer. Add 0 of the necessary each bit to the end. How to write? For example, you are given binary number. Okay, here goes the mixing binary number in between decimal point. Okay, decimal point, this is called the fraction number, and then this is the integer number. False binary number, it is called the integer number, means this is the integer number. Okay, you group 4 bit, 4 group. Suppose I am write down binary number here. This is the LSB, this is the LSB and last MSB. In between 4 group 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 group. May write down here 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, this is the number. Then next 4 group 1, 0, 1, 0. Write down this 4 group here. Then next is not 4 group. This is the incomplete group. You have 1, 2, 3. 3 bit. You convert the write down here 0, means this is the answer 1, 0, 1 and write down here 0. This is the complete answer. Then decimal points here for fraction point, this is the left hand side LSB, right hand side MSB and group 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, write down here 1, 2, 3, 4 group, means 1, 0, 1, 0. Right, then this is the 0, 1, this is the incomplete. Then you are complete 4 group 0, 1, 0, 0. Then equivalent, this number is equivalent to the hexadecimal number. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, it means 5. Then here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, it is called the D. D means it is called the 13 numbers. Okay, 1, 1, 0, 1 is the binary value. It is called the 13. 13 means D. Similar here, 0, 1, 0, 1 means the binary number is the 5. Then decimal point here. Then 1, 0, 1, 0 it means this is the binary number is 11. Is write down equivalent per B for hexadecimal number. Similar here 0 1 0 1, this is the binary number is 4. You are right. Lines answer here write down the binary number mixing with the fraction number is equal to the final answer 5D 5.4B. It is called the you are convert the hexadecimal number. Okay. बघा आपण काय बघितलं या एक्झाडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये एक्झाडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण बघितलं का ए जे नंबर असतील हे जे नंबर्स आहे हे ABCD.1012 हे कंप्लीट एक्झाडेसिमल नंबर असेल आणि ह्या एक्झाडेसिमल नंबरचा इक्वालंट 4 बिट बायनरी नंबर लिहायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर लिहिताना इन बिटवीन दोन बिट 4 बिट लिहिताना मध्ये गॅप ठेवायची. ओके. सिमिलरली पुढची द मेथड्स आहे पुढची मेथड मी आता बायनरी टू एक्झाडेसिमल कन्वर्शन करताना इथं कंप्लीट बायनरी नंबर दिलेला आहे होल्स बायनरी नंबर दिलेला आहे आणि त्याचा बेस 2 दाखवला आहे आणि तुम्हाला विचारलं का तो कन्वर्ट तुम्हाला करायचं आहे हेक्साडेसिमल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं याच्यातून लगेच तुम्हाला कळते 16 असेल बेस याचा तुम्हाला कन्वर्शन कळलं. मग इथं काय केलेलं आहे इथं ग्रुप तयार केलेला आहे. मग कंप्लीट डेसिमल पॉईंट नंतरचा हा ही जर तुमचा मोठा तुम्हाला बायनरी नंबर दिसतो याला इंटेजर असं म्हणतात. ओके. याच्यामध्ये ग्रुप करायचं 4 बिटचा ग्रुप करायचा 1 2 3 4 या 4 बिटचा ग्रुप करायचा नंतर नेक्स्ट 4 बिटचा ग्रुप करायचा आणि पुढे जर इनकम्प्लीट होत असेल तर फक्त 0 ऍड करायचं. इथून स्टार्ट होतं LSB दिस इज MSB. सिमिलरली हियर LSB 1 2 आणि दिस इज MSB आणि देन डेसिमल पॉईंट नंतर आपल्याला माहिती आहे डेसिमल पॉईंट नंतर तर पहिला जो नंबर असेल तो LSB आहे लास्ट नंबर हा MSB. याचे पण 4 ग्रुप करायचे 4 ग्रुप केल्यानंतर मला इथं बघा इथे मी नंबर लिहिलेला आहे 1011 आणि लास्ट इनकम्प्लीट आहे पुढे फक्त 00 ऍड केलेलं आहे. या पद्धतीने आपण काय केलेलं आहे हे हेक्साडेसिमल कन्वर्ट करून बघितलेलं आहे. राईट. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हॅव ए गुड डे. ओके.